We have subtraction of polynomials. We have to subtract 3a minus 2c from 7c plus 5a. So first we have to write this polynomial 7c plus 5a. We will put this in parentheses 7c plus 5a. From this polynomial we have to subtract that polynomial. So we will put this whole term in parentheses. We have 3a minus 2c. So this is equal. Next, first we have to take down the parentheses. We have negative sign before the second parenthesis. It means we have to change the sign every term in parentheses. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So positive we have here. So negative and positive give me negative. And next we have negative and negative. Negative times negative give me positive. So let's start from the beginning. First we have 7c plus 5a. We have to rewrite. Like I said, negative sign. So every term in parentheses we have to change the sign. Positive 3, so will be negative 3a now. A we have to rewrite and we have negative. So now will be positive because negative and negative give me positive. And we copy 2c. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have 7c and 2c. And we have 5a and 3a, negative 3a. 7c and 2c. We have to copy variable c and we just add the coefficients. 7 plus 2 is 9. Positive 9 because those coefficients are positive. So for sure this is a good answer. Next we have 5a minus 3a. So we copy a and we have 5 minus 3. The greater number is positive. So we keep the sign the greater number and now we have to just subtract 5 minus 3 is 2. So we have 9c plus 2a. This is my solution.